down.
Hello, and welcome to my new space. It's a work in progress. The lighting is definitely not there yet. I'm gonna turn things around too. This whole space is not organized yet, so just, actually, it would be better for everyone if you just close your eyes. Shut your eyes tight when you watch this video, just pretend you're on a scary roller coaster. I have discovered a YouTube account called More Flags, More Fun. This account opened in 2008, and it started by just uploading the More Flags, More Fun commercials from Six Flags. This was the marketing at the time. So as I'm going in the early days of this channel, it feels like this is actually ran by the Six Flags marketing department, because there's a lot of internal videos in here, and late 2000s YouTube was a very different place. Late 2000s YouTube had a lot of stuff that was really rough around the edges, that was both from YouTubers and also corporations who were kind of just like starting to get into the YouTube space. So that's what I thought this channel was, but the further you go into its catalog, home videos and a stop motion video of like an army soldier man. I'm really on the fence of like, was this ran by somebody who worked in Six Flags marketing or was it not? I don't know, but I'm not watching commercials today because spring has just sprung. It's almost coaster season, everybody. Well, for me here in the Midwest, and I really miss standing in line for my favorite Six Flags rides and watching Six Flags TV. So what I'm gonna do is watch Six Flags TV in my own home. I would like to thank CZ's World for bringing these videos to my attention. I did not actually know about this era of Six Flags TV with Kit Hoover. So Kit Hoover is a TV correspondent and host. She has a history of working in ESPN. She also worked for Road Rules, and currently she is working for Access Hollywood, which is probably where I recognize her from. But in the late 2000s, Kit Hoover was a Six Flags TV correspondent, so we're gonna see how that went.
One of my favorite things about Six Flags is it's the perfect place to satisfy a sweet tooth.
Or just go to a mall because it's cheaper.
Now, Chris, I'm kind of a firm believer that I can master any task. What do you think, I got the skills to whip up some cotton candy?
Probably.
Chris is a real employee, I think.
And you're gonna get it around like this?
Okay. All right, so go in. I'm going in. Donald. Oh!
Okay. I would love for this video series to just be, let's throw Kit Hoover into dangerous situations untrained. Is that dangerous? Do they tell you to watch your fingers when you're making cotton candy? And also, I feel like her energy is like, I have to come in here and make it wacky and entertaining, so I'm just gonna jam the stick in there.
Oh, man down.
I'm getting chaotic energy from Kit Hoover already.
I think we need more sugar. Go right in the hole with it.
Get right in the hole.
And low.
Watch your eyes. Yeah.
Okay, definitely got sugar in the eyes. Like, after the fact that she is pouring it into the cotton candy hole, the sugar hole. As she's pouring the sugar down the sugar hole, after the fact that she's already started, he's like,
Watch your eyes. Yeah.
So Kit Hoover is missing fingers, and she's got sugar in her eyes. Let's keep watching. Let's see how this goes.
And then I'm gonna horizontal. And we got cotton candy, Chris. What do you think?
Not quite.
Not quite. I think it's funny because Kit Hoover probably just expected Chris to like smile and be nice and be like, you so funny and you so crazy, Kit. But he's like, not quite.
Who wants this one? We got cotton candy. Doesn't matter.
I really would like to know what that shoot was like, but moving on to the next one. I already know that this is going to be about American coaster enthusiasts, the Coaster Club. Uh-oh, copyright strike. Copyright strike, that is AC/DC. I'm gonna try to edit around that as much as possible.
Think you love coasters?
Kit hitting me with really strong gatekeeper energy already.
Think you know speed, airtime, extreme G-forces?
That coaster is ready to be out of the gates too, and Kit is keeping it by just walking around on the platform, all willy-nilly. But she has a job to do. She has to gatekeep the shit out of you, out of riding roller coasters. You think you like roller coasters? You think that you like thrills? Huh? You little bitch. Because that's what I want from Ace. I'm getting really strong don't call it loop-de-loop energy from this video.
We got nothing on these guys. They're members of American Coaster Enthusiasts. That's a mouthful, but it's all good here.
American Coaster Enthusiasts, that's a mouthful, but it's all good here. Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger of Doom? What is that ride even called? No. Six Flags rides aren't a mouthful. American Coaster Enthusiast, that's the mouthful.
I've ridden over 1,000 roller coasters.
1,000 credits. Not bad, it's cute. It's alright. It's okay.
ACE is a roller coaster club that anyone can join.
We have events where we have exclusive ride time.
All right, the big question, how do you become a member?
This is an Ace commercial that aired at Six Flags Parks. This is really that's a big deal. I would expect Ace to pay a lot of money to get advertisements at a Six Flags park. That's crazy.
You guys ready to ride?
All right, and then they just ride Bizarro together and say where to sign up for Ace, and they talk about ERT and stuff.
Welcome back to Six Flags TV.
It was just a Kit Hoover jump scare. I'm okay. Are you okay? We're okay.
I'm on a mission, because something's up with those Looney Tune characters.
Especially Foghorn Leghorn.
I mean, when you bump into them around this time every day, they're kind of mellow, blissed out, and I have a feeling something's going on right in here. I've been looking for them everywhere. William, what is this place?
Why does this look like a COVID testing facility? What is this room? This is cursed.
Well, Kit, we're at Aqua beds, and this is where our guests come to relax after walking through the park for a long time.
How long was this a thing? There's no way this was free if those little foot vibraty pedal things aren't free, right?
It feels like 3 or 4 pairs of hands massaging you all at the same time.
If this was free, I actually think this is really cool.
Shake a tail feather. Very temperamental, these animals. See you in about 5.
So, Aqua beds. I'm gonna Google that real quick. Aqua beds. Okay. These are just water beds. Oh my gosh. Okay, good for them. Can beds calm down?
Here at the park, the Looney Tunes and I like to play a little game called Ice Cream Charades.
The game of charades when you act something out and the other person has to guess, but with ice cream.
We have Cold Stone ice cream. It's the best because they have the best name, so it's so easy to act out.
When I watch these videos, I get the feeling that there was no planning and it was all just done on the spot.
Petunia and I, my little pig friend over here, are gonna take on her honey, Porky. Second word. Tables. Woo, take it downtown, down on your heels. You know, Pig, you know what? Good job, Porky. No hard feelings. Let's go there with your girlfriend.
All right, act it out. All right. Table. You know what? Fuck it. No, you're bad at this. No. I don't think he was gesturing table. This is ice cream flavors. My favorite ice cream flavors are chair, shelf. I really like shelf. But no hard feelings. You're bad at this. Is it table? I give up.
Let's see if I can stump the lovebirds with my favorite flavor, Six Flags Cookie Coaster Crunch. Oh yeah.
Aw yeah, Six Flags Coaster Cookie Crunch.
You guys work it out. Let Mama show you what charades is all about. Come on now, Pigs. This is not a tough one. Pigs, come on, my little friends. Let's go. Pig out.
Maybe this is just a bad game. Did you think that maybe this is just a bad game?
Feeling this one? You can take it right into this, bring it around the back. Oh yeah, shoot it up.
Shoot it up. So Kit Hoover has never danced before, and that's okay. Not everybody has to have danced a single time in their life. It's fine. I'm not a gatekeeper like Kit Hoover is. I think it's fine that she dances badly.
What else we got? The mower? Go Speedy.
I just had to stop it here because Kit Hoover, as the adult, is dressed more like a child than any of the children on screen here.
Oh yeah. That's a move.
With the shoes, look at this outfit. You've got the yellow belt, you've got you've got the pink and peach striped shirt, you've got the olive green camo pants, and the rainbow heart shoes.
Ew.
That's it. Kit Hoover's fashion is all this video needed.
Oh yeah, work it out. Oh yeah, whip arm. I love the whip arm.
This playing in queue lines just makes me imagine that it only influences kids in the queue line to start flailing around and jumping around. I love the whip arm. Whip arm.
That, I feel it. I'm in.
Kit Hoover is really comfortable and in her element here because she dances exactly like those children dance.
All right, I found this group of boys that think they can dance, and we're gonna rank them with the 6-flag system. 6 flags being the best, 1 being the worst. Let's see what you got. Work it out, work it out. All right, 3 flags. Good job. Next, let's see what you got. Oh, the robot. All right. 2 flags, but A for effort, A for effort. Next up. This is the, what's this called? The Charlie Brown, the whip arm. You know, I don't know if we got a flag for you, but next.
She smacked that kid.
Oh, the American Funky Chicken, the 6 Flags winner!
And that looks like it was the last one, so yeah. Interesting channel. Check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think, if it's actually associated with Six Flags in any way or not. I hope you had fun with me today. I hope we had fun cringing with Kit Hoover. I think nothing against Kit Hoover's performance in these videos. I think she gave it her all and that she was really, really trying, but that she came in there and was like, okay, what's my direction? And they just kind of like blinked and stared at her and were like, you do TV? Do TV. Go out there and do TV. And she was just like, I'm holding an ice cream charades. Music is playing. Dance. I need to dance. For one of them, they're like, okay, so this one is going to be about acers, and here are your lines. You're going to talk about, oh, so you think you really know airtime, you think you really know G-forces, you think you really know all this stuff, and yeah, go out there and do it. And she did it. She nailed it. The acers one was definitely the most normal one, but then it just got weird. The dancing one was weird. Not something that I really have against Kit Hoover, because I think she was really just kind of put on the spot. I don't know. But that's how I feel about those videos. Do you remember Six Flags TV starring Kit Hoover? That was fun. Can't wait to stand in a real roller coaster line again. This has been 0 credits remaining, reminding you all, All American Funky Chicken out.
The American Funky Chicken